Hello everyone, this is Kanu Butani here and welcome to my blog. So today we will be seeing what is upstream, midstream and downstream in oil industry. So in oil and gas industry, the terms like upstream, midstream, downstream, they refer to the different stages like exploration, production, refining and distribution of petroleum products. Then they are the various terms that are the activities and processes that are involved in industry's value chain. And the midstream is the thing that is involved in the transportation, storage, and wholesale marketing of crude oil, natural gas, and refined petroleum product. So we will see in further how these things go. So the first thing is upstream. So here the activities are exploration, drilling, production of oil and gas, and it is the initial stage where the resources are extracted from the earth. And the key activities that are involved in this stream upstream are exploration. This is the process of searching the potential oil and gas reserves from Earth using different methods like geological, geophysical, and seismic methods. Then is drilling. Once we get the potential place, then we start drilling those underground reservoirs, creating wells. And then these wells are there too that help us to access the potential reserves. And then production, then we extract that crude oil and natural gas from reservoirs using these wells. This also includes the managing well performance and optimizing the production. Then the reservoir management, monitoring and optimizing the behavior of oil and gas reservoir to maximize the recovery is important. Then well testing, it is used to evaluate the productivity and characteristics of wells. Then transportation, once the oil is extracted, the crude oil, then we require the processing of facilities through pipelines, through tankers or other means. Then comes midstream. So now we are at the place where the uh, oil is extracted and it will be now in the midstream, it will be transported, stored for the wholesale marketing of these products. So this bridges the gap between the upstream production and the downstream refining and distribution. The key activities that are involved in this are pipeline transportation. We need the pipelines that will carry these oils and products efficiently. Storage, we require the storage terminals where these will be stored and before they are transported to refineries or distributed centers. The third is tanker and rail transport. The ships and rail transport help us to move these resources from one region to another where the pipelines are not possible. Then is natural gas processing. Then it comes to purifying and conditioning these crude oils into natural gas by removing impurities like water, sulfur, etc. NGL, natural gas liquids processing, separating the NGLs from natural gas. Liquefied natural gas facilities, converting natural gas into liquid gas for easier transportation. Wholesale marketing and trading, buying and selling all these crude oil, natural gas, and refined products to match supply and demand. Logistics and supply chain management, helping and planning and managing the movement of these resources in the entire supply chain. Environment and safety compliance, of course, when we are transporting the oil and storing those things, so we have to follow the safety standards and environmental regulations. Then comes downstream. The downstream sector involves refining, processing, and distributing crude oil and refining products to send to the end users. It also encompasses the activities that prepare hydrocarbons. So, the key activities that are involved in this are refining. You refine the products into gasoline, petrol, diesel, and jet fuel, petrochemicals, feedstocks using different processes like cracking and distillation, petrochemical production using the products to produce the chemicals and other materials. Then distribution, transporting these refined products through pipelines, trucks, ships. Retailing and marketing, selling these to gas stations and other retail outlets. Logistics and supply chain management, so managing all the movement of these products from one distribution point to the another distribution point or retail chain and continuing the supply chain. Lubricants and specialty products, producing different greases and lubricants and specialty chemicals from refined products. So the conclusion is that each sector plays a crucial role and contributes to the extraction, transformation, delivery of energy resources to consumers